Hey, how to do that? Hey people, what's up YouTube? Welcome again on my channel. So guys, thank you so much because you are here today watching this video. Big thumbs up, please, big thumbs up. We want 10, so just 10 likes for this video. Okay, welcome back again on my channel. So today I want just first of all to say thank you so much because of the merch that people still buying that on my website. I'm nothing on YouTube. If you're not watching me, I'm nothing. If you're not subscribing, I'm nothing. And after that, make sure that you have your backpack. I'm giving away a free backpack. If you see this video in the description, you have the link of the video, and you will watch all the video up to the end. Then you will know what to do for you to get a free backpack, a free one. What is it again? What is it? Here's the merch that I'm giving away, so please go and check that out. Okay, today's video it's so hard to stay, on the top, like, oh wow, to stay on YouTube, man, doing videos every single day. It must be a call for you to do that same thing like every day, making videos, opening your camera. How hard is it? I got a solution for you guys. Why? Because you need to grow, because I want you to have more subscribers. So everything what I'm studying, everything what I'm doing, you must do that also, so that we may see if it's true or not. So everything what I'm saying, everything what I'm trying to do, it's really what I'm doing. The first thing what I want to talk about today is the niche of your YouTube account or YouTube channel. First, people say talk about hairstyle, how to do makeup, how to do music and stuff. So how hard is it in 2019 to stay up with one niche? Because if you check out, man, all the niche, I try to do music. It's true that I'm still young in music, but I'm telling you the truth that it's not easy especially me. It was so hard. But I have a solution for you guys. You don't need to stay with one niche. No. A niche is a topic, or the topic that you will start to, relating every day your stories about those videos that you are making every day, or those videos you're uploading. So that is a niche. You need to stay. YouTubers say you need to stay like in one niche. I'm telling you that in 2019 it's so hard, and people are getting bored. Even on my channel today, I can say, okay, let me do only business, man. It's me, especially me, when I started watching a business channel, I get bored after 2 days because I was listening a lot. Things was going here and then it was so hard for me to stay in one niche. And then I decided, after 1 week of doing this YouTube stuff, I say, okay, talking about only business, man, people will get tired. I don't want to be in the beginning, at the same time in the beginning, and then people getting mad, or the other just tired. Even those who want to support me, that are just every day, I'm not, people are not cool to watch every day the same thing. Think about home. Their kid, you have kids, you have the family, even you by yourself on your phone. I don't think that every day you watch news. You need to mix something of niche you will add. Make sure that they are related to your top niche, top topic. If maybe personally, I will add music. Yeah, it's not bad. That's what I'm doing every day. If you see I have instruments, I have stuff, that's what I'm doing. Why? Because my YouTube channel is to inspire you guys in how to make money, strategy, all those things. So I will show you guys the way how you, from your instrument, from your niche, you can get a lot of money, because I have money in my stuff. I'm producing already, and then I'm having money without YouTube. So reason why I'm here on YouTube to show you the way how YouTube you can do something. But anyway, guys, it's still the same thing. I need those what I'm telling you, because I've applied that in my business. So now I want to apply the same thing, the same rules on YouTube. You must start a YouTube channel today. If that is your dream, you must start today, because from 2020 that will be hard for you to start a YouTube channel. The reason why you must start a YouTube channel today is just because it will be, when you'll be ready to start a YouTube channel, it will be late for you. It will be so late for you to start a YouTube channel. So you must start a YouTube channel now. Why? Because this is the year of practicing. So this is the year of you getting involved in the system. Because when it will change, when that is the highest for our area, and it's already made. That is the last technology. So everything, everything will change. Even the things will change. I'm talking to you guys. Make sure if that is your plan to open a YouTube channel, change starting today. I said, by my side, I say, okay, I have a business I'm running a business, a multi-million business. What can I do for my niche or for my product to be sold everywhere in the world? And at the time, I will have money on YouTube. Just by making videos, just by producing, just by promoting my product, I will get paid. Think about it. I'm not talking to those people who watch YouTube, only watching, and those who don't have the dream of making money with online videos. So make sure to subscribe on this video. Please get a thumbs up, and don't forget to go and see the video where I'm giving away a backpack, a free backpack. And make sure to subscribe, make sure to share this video to all your friends. Guys, I love you so much, and don't forget, please to subscribe, because I'm still new and I don't have subscribers. Please subscribe, and next time I'm gonna give away something new, because I'm now making only backpacks and hats. Hey, yeah.